Hello, my name's Laura. I was just showing you a gondola in Venice. It's a very special gondola because 2 years ago I came here to restore it, having had the opportunity given to me by an organisation called Row Venice that I contacted, and Jane, the founder of Row Venice, put me in contact with Eleanor, who was restoring that gondola. And I was going through a very difficult time. I had a lot of anxiety. I'd had some bad couple of years with my mental health before that. And I set myself this task that, having gone on a crazy course to learn to build wooden boats, that the one thing I might like to do with that knowledge was work on a gondola in Venice. And it came to pass 2 years ago. And having done that, I decided I wanted to stay a bit longer. So I went away and then I came back. And now it's the 31st of this rather strange year, 31st of December 2020. And I decided to try and document what it's like to live in Venice, a city built on the water. It was documented as first existing. I don't know what the exact documentation is, but they're going to celebrate the 1600th anniversary of this city in March this year. Hopefully they'll be able to do the celebrations. And so I think it's difficult to imagine a place built on the water that isn't just like a little shack or something. There's a whole city where people live and work, and everything you do is dictated by the water. And so I thought it would be really interesting to try and show that from the perspective of someone new who's come here and has fallen in love with it. So I hope you find the videos interesting. Quite a few of them will be shared with Row Venice because I want to work with them to show the nature of rowing in Venice and the way in which people travel around on the water in the most extraordinary way, Venetian style, standing up, facing forward. So I hope you enjoy the videos, and I wish you all the best for 2021.